This is a 1951 Chevy 3600. It's the 3/4 ton model. It has a 350 V8 fuel injected ramjet. Power disc brakes in the front. It's air conditioned. Alternator 12 volts, of course. Halo lights. It's a dark green color. Has a couple red stripes going around it with a silver stripe. Bucket seats, electric windows. They're not the cable type, they're the scissor type. Has a radio that is a new radio, but it's made to look like the old one. Air conditioner, works very cold air. It's the 5-window, long bed, 3/4 ton. Brand new tires. I'm sure it's less than 1,000 miles on them. Tilt steering wheel. About 10,000 miles on it. All the gauges been replaced. Even the headliner, mirror, night-day mirror. The visors. Seat is electric. Power steering. It does have remote control door locks. Very pretty truck.